Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy process, how to change a Google Sheet from view-only mode to edit mode so that either you or someone else can make changes instead of just looking at the data. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, planning a family trip, or sharing homework with classmates, knowing how to control editing access in Google Sheets saves time, prevents headaches, and keeps your workflow moving smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn a read-only document into a fully editable one and confidently share it with others. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Google Sheet that's currently set to view only. In the top right corner, you'll notice a big button that says Share. It's usually a blue button if you're the owner or have edit rights. This is your gateway to managing who can do what in your sheet. Go ahead and click on that Share button. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're signed in with the correct Google account and that you're actually supposed to have control over the file. Once you've clicked Share, a dialog box will pop up in the center of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. At the top, you'll see a text box that lets you type in the email addresses of the people you want to share your sheet with. Just click in there and start typing the address of whoever needs access. Let's say you're working with a teammate named Jumma. Just pop in Jumma@uml.com and their name should appear as you type. Now before you hit send, pay attention to the permissions next to each email. By default, it might set them to viewer. But if you want them to do more than just look, click that drop-down next to their name. Here you'll see three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. Go ahead and select editor. What this does is allow Jumma or whoever you've shared with not just to view or leave comments, but to actually jump in, make changes, add data, and help keep everything up to date. But maybe you're not just sharing with individuals, you want to give editing rights to anyone who has the link. For that, close the email box and look for the general access section lower down in the same sharing dialog. By default, this kicks in as restricted, which means only specific people you selected above can even open the sheet. To make the file accessible to a broader group, click where it says restricted. You'll see an option pop up, anyone with the link. Click this, and now anyone who gets the link can at least access your file. But let's dig a little deeper. It's important you don't accidentally give out too much access. There's another dropdown right next to anyone with the link where you can set the level of access: viewer, commenter, or editor. Make sure you pick editor if you want people to be able to actually change things in the sheet. This is a really powerful setting, so just pause and make sure you're comfortable with everyone who might get that link being able to edit your work. Once you've made your choices, click Copy Link. That will grab the special link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want, maybe in an email, a chat, or even a group text. And that's it, you're done. Share the link with anyone who needs access, knowing you've set the perfect permissions for your situation. Changing a sheet from view only to edit doesn't just open up collaboration, it builds trust and frees everyone to contribute. If you ever need to take back control, you can always return here and tweak the settings. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment if any questions pop up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.